Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J here at Kickz and Beatz the channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. This is an oldie but a goodie. Came out 8 months back, February 16, I believe. The Yeezy Quantum OG colorway, but this is not the basketball version that contains the RPU cage over the mesh. This is actually the lifestyle version, so let's get into it. It's time to unbox this one, man. I don't know what took me so long to get these. I should have got it a long time ago because you know how these are. Super fire pairs, everyone says. I've never seen it in person. It's been 8 months and I've never seen it in person till today, man. So let's see how far they really are, you know? Gotta give you that up close personal like I always do, so you guys can see for yourself. Oh, what happened with the lighting? Got a little technical difficulties here, guys. One second. This is a pretty good positioning. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, let's take a look at this right here. Got myself a size 11 because my true to size is 10.5, but when it comes to most Yeezy sneakers, you're gonna want to go half a size up, you know? So let's check this out real quick. There you go. Oh, that feels so good. I don't know what kind of suede is this. If you guys know what kind of suede this is, please drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of suede this is because I like how this feels. It doesn't feel like that suede from the, you know, Yeezy 500s, not at all. This isn't cow suede, right? Because I know the Yeezy 500s contain cow suede. This feels real nice, guys. Take a look. Let's get a close up. I like the colorway. The colorway looks amazing. It's like silver and gray mixed in, it seems, right? Something like that. Woo! This is a good pair right here. Now there's a difference, guys, between this and the basketball version, obviously. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been two versions. But I know for a fact, right around this area here, the ankle support, it's a lot more firm. It's a lot better when it comes to the basketball one because it's supposed to be suitable for when playing ball, you know? This is the lifestyle version, so you can't expect it to really have that much protection around. See this? If you ask me, this is pretty flimsy. I wouldn't wear this to the basketball game, honestly, if you ask me. Probably crack an ankle too. But yeah. I want to put these on already and give you guys that on-feet review. Let's get to it. Why not? Alright, let's switch out of these. This is why pull tabs really matter for me, guys. I love when they put pull tabs on these. Well, you don't like them when they don't. Oh man, look at this beautiful pattern right here, guys. Check out these streaks. Well, it's time to wrap up the video, guys. This is a real short one, I know. Well, stay tuned. Anyways, just to let you guys know before we're done with this video, please stay tuned with Yeezy Influence via Instagram. He has a whole lot of links towards a ton of raffles going on right now for the Yeezy 380 calcite glows. Do not miss out on those opportunities. So check him out for sure. And stay tuned for the next giveaway. It's at 1,000 subscribers, so you already know what time it is. Let your peoples know. If you're just watching this for the first time, please hit subscribe. And once again, hit the notification bell to stay tuned with updates. And you already know what time it is. It's your boy Broadway J here at Kickz and Beatz the channel, and I'm out. Peace. Take care, y'all.